So good evening everyone. Today we are going to discuss about fear when we want to speak English language. So that time we feel fear. So how we can speak without fear English language. So today I will give you one tip. I hope this tip will help you to become a fluent speaker. So what happened with me when I was a very beginner. So that time I was not able to speak one line or two line or three line. During my speak, I also try to use filler word, and that time I was not enough confidence. But and what did I do? Okay, now I can speak confidently and very smoothly. So that is the only one things was special for me. I was totally shameless. Anywhere with anyone, I was trying to speak. So in this, how I also overcome my fear. Now I can't say that I am proper, expert speaker. No, I am also learner. But I also want to say that when you will speak without fear, so that time you will learn something special, and that time you will learn very something very special, because during your thought only this thought is stopping you. That is means what will happen if I mistake, because mistake is not your enemy, mistake is your friend, because from your mistake you will learn something new, because it is a real way to learn something special. Because when you will not mistake, how you will improve, because improvement comes from mistake, because nobody are expert from our home of the mother. When we will use, we will make mistake, and that time we will learn something. Because if somebody don't go to battle, how he will fall down from the horse? These people will fall down from the back of the horse. Those people will go to battle. So same here, when you will speak you will mistake, when you will mistake, so you will learn something special. So don't try to judge yourself. When you have a opportunity, use your language and try to speak. Don't skip your opportunity. Right or wrong doesn't matter. Just start speaking. When you will mistake one or two times, automatically this fear will remove and your confidence will come. When you will have a confidence, so that time you will speak very calmly and you will speak very happily. So today that is enough. Tomorrow we'll come with a new topic. So I hope this video will give you something special.